I have a surprise for you.
Daddy has a surprise for you.
Uh-huh.
It's in a special deck. Oh my gosh!
Huh? What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Palette Idea Edition. Yes, and I am so excited to be back with you all, and this one is actually going to be a surprise for my baby daughter. Y'all saw the thumbnail of it, so you know what it will be, but this one is all for her and, of course, her baby brother, Ricky Jones III, named after me, who was named after my father, so, you know, it's a trilogy, okay? But all that to say, hey, I thought about my daughter, and Rain, you know, y'all saw the video yesterday where I made the stool. If you haven't, go ahead, check that out. I'll put a link in the description. But I made a stool with her in mind, well, the kids in mind, actually, thinking that would be something that they can sit on when we're outside and just playing in the front yard or even in the backyard and things like that. Ever when I sat, or excuse me, not when I sat, but when I made the first one, she said it was too tall. And then when I made the second one, she said it was too small. So at the end of the day, I'm like, hey, let me just create the chairs based off of the measurements of the chairs that they already used, which was the concept and the idea behind my video yesterday. However, you know, you get to cut in and you're doing things on your own. Things start to happen and it didn't work out the way I wanted to. So at the end of the day, I just respected the chair and realized that is the base in which I can create the project that you see. So I'm gonna create two chairs, one for her, one for him, and then a table that they can sit on as well when they're just, you know, frolicking outside or in the backyard doing things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, show you how to get it done, and hopefully by the end of this video you feel like you can do it too. That's the goal of each and every video, letting you know you can do it, because hey, I'm a beginner. I'm not even 1 year in creating different projects with wood and things like that, and you all have been a part of my journey all the step of the way. So you know, if I can do the different things that I have been able to do so far, so can you. Okay, so I've already went on ahead and measured things out for both chairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the cuts for those, put those together, and then, you know, put the pallets across so we can already have a start. You know, I'm trying to be proactive. Each and every video I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to grow with you all. So thank you for all of your love, your comments, and your words of encouragement. They truly mean a lot to me. And hopefully by, you know, the end of the video, Rain comes home and be able to see this chair, and you can get a reaction of her seeing this project. Okay, so without further ado, let me go ahead and do my cuts. You can go ahead and subscribe, and we can just be a family together. As you all know, I'm using strictly pallet wood for this project. Most of the wood I've already cut out for other projects. It was just in the back where I have my little, you know, dump graveyard situation. I just went over there, went and picking, felt like Christmas. And all the different wood that I'm using so far will be from that pile. So as I always say in each and every video, don't throw away your scrap wood, because there's always future projects that you can use those things for. Just make sure they're laid up in a way that you can easily get to it, and it doesn't like get rain wet, you know, because it rains so much and things like that. So let me go ahead and get it cutting, go ahead and get it assembling, and we can go ahead and get the finishing with this project. Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh, okay, so now that I have that cut, if anything I learned from yesterday is to cut one at a time. So I've cut out the different pieces, from the back piece to the front piece to the side pieces of this chair out, have it laid out. So now I'm going to go ahead and assemble this bad boy, test it next to the one that I have over there, and we will see how we will proceed from here. So one step at a time, ladies and gentlemen, one step at a time. Let me go ahead and assemble, and we'll be able to see what it looks like next to the competition. all that being done, ladies and gentlemen, we have the first chair done. And I'm a little pleased. I'm pleased. Like this one, the one I created is a lot wider than, you know, the factory store-bought Minnie Mouse chair. Okay, it's a lot wider. It's about the same height. As you can see, I did the measurements well this time. So Rain should be able to sit right on down in that bad boy with no problem, no concerns or anything like that. You know, I feel like, you know, I even do a side. Look, you see the side view, okay? Equal in height, just mine is a little bit taller, just like a pallet height taller. Literally, it's a pallet height taller. So, I mean, I feel pretty legit enough to go ahead and build the other chair. Now, while I was doing this chair, I was thinking like whether or not I'm gonna build this table, because I don't want like Rain and Ricky or Rain to be like, oh man, like, oh, I don't like the chairs. And I built this whole set and she's not appreciative, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I push past that thought. But right now, I just want to share with you all, that's my current thought. But at the end of the day, I'm going to go ahead and build the second chair because I have to do one for little man, Ricky Jones the third. And so I'm going to go ahead and build that. Put that one on the ground. We already have one done now. See? It didn't take much. It just took enough, okay? Enough time, enough effort, and enough attention will get the job done. So let me go ahead and do what I need to do. You do what you need to do, which is like comment below. Let me know if any encouraging, kind words, loving words, color choices, things like that. Well, I'm gonna let Rain choose the color, so don't worry about the color choices. But words of encouragement, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Let me know what you think so far. Let me get to the second chair for this table. Boom, boom, boom. Laka. Let's go ahead. Get it, yeah. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the second one is done too. Wait, it was over here. Yes, baby boy's chair, you know, I'm pretty excited about it. If you notice, there was a little splitting going on right here at the top. I'm gonna just put some wood glue at the top, smooth that out, it'll be good to go. It won't break, it didn't break when I screwed in the screws, so I'm not worried about it cracking or anything like that. Wood glue will do the trick. I'll apply it before I paint it and things like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I realized when I was putting this second chair together, I'm going to wait to see if Rain's gonna like the chairs before I make the table, okay? Because if she don't like the chairs, what's the point in the table? And yeah, so I'll make sure I get that reaction for you all of her seeing the chairs, her and baby boy Ricky getting their reactions, getting them sitting in the chair for the first time, and all those different things like that. So with that being said, of course, I need to go ahead and sand these bad boys on the side to make sure they don't get any cut splinters or any wood pieces in their skin or anything like that. Nobody has time for that. So I'm gonna do that, put it in the garage, clean up and all that good stuff, and you know, check their reaction. And if they like it, we'll build a table in another video. So, and then of course we'll probably paint in that video too, just to make 2-in-1 situation, yada yada yada. But nonetheless, it's finished, y'all. Just like that. I would say the toughest part of this project, doing it by yourself, is attaching the side pieces to the legs. Other than that, that's the most difficult part. If you can get through that, you can get through it as I did with no problem, okay? Simple, easy, DIY, beginner project with pallet wood, as you all saw that you can do too. So that is that, and yeah man, I'm gonna just clean up, wait for Rain, and catch her reaction, okay? Let's do it. Yeah. I have a surprise for you.
Daddy has a surprise for you.
Uh-huh.
It's in a special deck. Oh my gosh!
Huh? Huh? You like it? So what do you think? That is your chair. Ricky, this is your chair.
No.
Wait. Let him sit in it, Ryan. Let him sit in it. Let's see where he sits. Let's just see. I'm curious. Okay. Yes. Alright, yep, it's there. There you go.
Daddy, why didn't make this a different size?
Well, I wanted to make it small just in case brother wanted to sit on that. And so I gave you options.
Sit on this one?
No? Let's see, switch.
Baby, switch!
Switch. Ricky, go sit right there.
This is kind of comfortable.
It's kind of comfortable? You like the back part? Okay. Ricky, what do you think? You like it?
No.
Yes? Yeah, I made it for you. You like it? Yeah, okay. No meat yes, guys. No meat yes.
I can have a cup holder.
You can have a cup holder? Oh, gosh. You want a cup holder? Okay. Look at that. Oh, you relaxing, girl? You look comfortable? You like it? All right. Okay. It's perfect height. Ricky, you okay? You want to sit right there? You want to try that one out? No? Okay, I understand. You want the back. I get it. Well, I'm glad you guys like it. You like it? We're good? Thumbs up? Thumbs up? No? Okay, I get it. Hey, guys, that's what I get every time. All right, say bye-bye. Woo-woo!